How do I uninstall HP printer software in Windows 11? If you wish to uninstall HP printer software that you no longer use in Windows 11, follow these steps. Disconnect the printer from your computer and network. On your computer, search for and open Add or Remove Programs. Scroll down the list of installed programs and look for any software that has your HP printer name in it. Next to the software, click the Menu button and select Uninstall. When prompted for confirmation, select Uninstall again. Follow the on-screen prompts, if any, to finish uninstalling. Windows 11 will remove the printer software from the computer. Return to the Apps and Features screen and repeat this process for any other printer software you want to uninstall. You can also uninstall any service plugins that were installed with your printer driver. To easily find all printer software on your computer, go to the search box below App List and search for your HP printer name. Windows then displays all installed printer software. You can now uninstall any printer software you no longer need. With all printer software uninstalled, restart your computer to use the freed-up disk space. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.